Did you know France's most wanted criminal once escaped prison by kidnapping a judge during his own trial? Jacques Mezrine was public enemy number one. For 20 years, he terrorized Europe with a crime spree that seemed impossible to stop. He robbed banks across 2 continents, always armed, always ready to kill. In 1978, Mezrine pulled off his most audacious escape. During his own court hearing, he took the judge hostage at gunpoint, then stole the judge's car and vanished. But Mezrine wasn't just a criminal. He was a showman. He gave interviews to newspapers, taunted police on television, even threatened to murder the judge who sentenced him. His reign of terror included kidnapping millionaires for ransom, murdering wealthy victims in cold blood, breaking out of maximum security prisons like they were hotel rooms. Police across Europe were humiliated. This one man made them look foolish. On November 2nd, 1979, French authorities had enough. They ambushed his car in Paris. 21 bullets ended his life instantly. Many called it an execution, not an arrest. The perfect criminal silenced forever.